Rapid Set Stucco Patch is a premium, fast-setting stucco repair material used for repairing cracks, holes, and voids in stucco surfaces. To use Stucco Patch, please consult the data sheet for exact product use instructions. First, prepare the area so that it's clean, sound, and free from any materials that may inhibit bond, such as oil, curing compound, acid, dirt, and loose debris. Roughen surface and remove all unsound material. Open cracks to a minimum 1/4 inch wide. In hot, dry, or windy conditions, you may need to pre-wet the surface to be patched. Mix, using 1 part water and 4 parts Stucco Patch, or 2 quarts of water per 25-pound bag. Add Stucco Patch into the mix water while mixing. Mix to a uniform, lump-free consistency. Clean mixing bucket and tools between batches. Do not retemper. Apply quickly with a trowel or putty knife to allow for maximum finishing time. Use a trowel, float, or sponge to match the texture with the surrounding area. Prime and paint after approximately 2 hours. Rapid Set Stucco Patch lets you patch and paint the same day and maintains paint gloss and color. For more information, visit ctscement.com or call 800-929-3030.